is Dr. Sahili Saha. I'm a radiation oncologist. So today I'm going to talk about an important aspect of women's health, that is breast cancer screening. So as we all know, screening it increases the chance of earlier detection of a disease, and earlier detection means better chances at cure. So in breast cancer screening, we have different modalities and different effective methods which can help in early detections. We're going to talk about it in brief. We all know about mammograms. So mammograms, these are basically low dose X-rays which are taken of the breast. Now the technology, it dates back to 1950s, but widespread use started in 1960s and 70s, and now we have better ways to get a mammogram. There is something called a 3D mammogram or tomosynthesis. Many of you must have heard about it. There are digital mammograms. So all of this is aimed to detect the disease early and effectively. Now, one thing we need to understand is no test is foolproof. There is no 100% sensitivity and specificity. So there can be some doubts in mammogram, especially in younger women for whom, because of denser breast tissue, oftentimes it is necessary that they undergo MRI. So MRI is not a part of the mainstream diagnostic or screening procedure. Mammogram is, but this is something we need to keep in our mind. For example, if something crops up on the mammogram and it is non-specific, we would need an MRI to rule it out. Again, a mammogram in itself does not say whether a disease is 100% malignant or not. We need to do further tests. Maybe it might be followed up with an ultrasound, which is done most of the times, and definitely a biopsy from that area. So why mammogram? It is known from clinical research that it increases chance of detection, and hence it is associated with a 30% decrease in breast cancer mortality, which is a big number. So mammogram is routinely recommended for women who are at risk. Now the next thing is self breast examination. So if we look at the guidelines, these are not mainstream recommendations, but it is very important to get acquainted with how your breast looks or what is the texture, so that early detection, again, the person can screen themselves and find out earlier. Many a times we come across people who find lumps in their breast and come to us. So it is also a very important aspect. And the third thing is clinical breast examination, which is palpation for breast lumps by clinicians. Again, it is a combination of all these methods and not anything alone which helps diagnosis. So for breast cancer, we have something which is called comprehensive examination and comprehensive screening, which is a combination of the mammogram and clinical examination and self breast examination. So the aim is to tailor it to the risk category of individual patients and help early detection.